Yeah.
Well, what was wrong before?
I'm not sure.
So what?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County and central New Jersey. This includes the city of Long Branch until 3:45 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Red Bank, or 6 miles northwest of Long Branch, and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Highlands around 3:15 p.m., Sandy Hook around 3:20 p.m. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth County, New Jersey.
Do your friends do the same thing? Take pictures of all this stuff?
Mm-hmm.
And
For the following